May I also acknowledge with appreciation the sterling contribution of the outgoing Chairman, His Excellency Mr. Mevlut Cavusoglu, the Foreign Minister of Turkey, for having led the OIC process so ably and effectively. Excellency, Pakistan cannot remain silent on the plight of our Palestinian brothers and sisters who are continuously suffering Israeli atrocities. The recent aggression targeting schools in which 15 innocent children lost their lives was a reprehensible act of terror. We condemn it in the strongest possible terms. While reaffirming full solidarity with the Palestinian people, Pakistan renews its call for establishment of a viable, independent and contiguous state of Palestine on the basis of internationally agreed parameters, the pre-1967 borders, and with Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital. Pakistan calls further for consideration of measures to guarantee the safety and protection of Palestinians in occupied territories, including Gaza, and ending the closure and restrictions imposed by Israel on the movement and access into and out of the Gaza Strip. The situation in the Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir continues to be a matter of grave concern. Excellencies, brothers and sisters, the Kashmiris' right of self-determination continues to be denied through illegal occupation and a concerted campaign of torture, humiliation, rape and violence. Human rights violations taking place in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir have been extensively documented in various reports of OIC's own independent permanent human rights commission. Within the past 1 year, several reports have been released that have served to enhance international awareness about the tragedy unfolding in the Indian-occupied Kashmir. Reports of the Office of the High Commissioner of Human Rights, the UK All-Parties Parliamentary Kashmir Group, and hearings of the European Parliament condemn the ongoing atrocities and underscore the need for resolution of the dispute in accordance with the aspirations of the people. Calls for constituting a commission of inquiry under the UN to investigate the violations and fix responsibility are growing louder. Even beyond Kashmir, the Muslims minority in India is facing hard times. An atmosphere of fear and intimidation engulfs the community in the wake of repeated incidents of mob lynching, cow vigilantism, and programs like Ghar Wapsi.